Alright, I got here a Honda Accord. I don't know what year. He's a dealer. He just sold a car with his lights on. I don't remember the problem or what he told me, but let's see. It starts. Alright, it runs. Brake system, electric parking brake system problem. And oh, the drive light's flashing. Does that say D? I can't tell. I don't know, there's something flashing over there, which I don't know what it is. Let me scan it. Alright. We also got an airbag light on. I'm going to use the Phoenix Max. Alright, let's do a scan. I'm sorry, this thing's going to be beeping. It's beeping away. A lot of lights are flashing. Road departure mitigation. Alright, it's a 24 Accord. Let's do a scan. Auto high beam problem. Alright. Let's do a smart scan. Okay, we got a lot of codes in the ABS and the computer under IDAS. Alright, what do we got on the computer? CAN reception error in the SRS module. Lost COM with SRS unit. FCAM malfunction for the, pretty much the SRS unit is not communicating. And even on the Phoenix Max, we got the same issue. It doesn't show us on the tree, the what's it called? The SRS unit. I don't know what to do about this. I have to email them why they get rid of it. It must be because of the gateway. Let's see if it's here. They have to mobilize the tire pressure. Nothing. It doesn't exist. So this is very cool. It's something called multi-system data stream. I'm not doing it now, but let me just make a report of this. Only has 25,000 miles. But yeah, everything is a problem with the SRS unit. Well, before I pull out another scan tool and look for SRS unit, I know there has to be an SRS unit, so it doesn't mean anything. I don't have to actually go look. Immobilizer. Okay, none of these are that. Oh, here, in the gateway, we can go to the FCAM malfunction. It says there's no COM to this, the SRS unit, which we could go to special function and actually it's under actuation test, I think. Nope. I don't know what this is. Okay. Actuation test. There should be communication status check. Okay. It's checking all the networks. It's doing bus G now. HI. Wow, there's a lot of networks. JK. Alright. So detected. Let's go find not available SRS unit. Alright, let me go to, let's get a diagram of this car. Alright, let's get a diagram. 90E, restraint probably, restraint and safety system. Okay. So here's the module itself, the SR unit under center console. I will do a visual inspection in a second just to make sure it's there. But we have a ground over here. Let's find the powers that feed this. So fuse 6. Okay, this feeds it over here. Fuse 26, does it feed it? Yes. One's hot at all times, one's with ignition. And fuse 11. Fuse 11 feeds the gauge control module. Okay, so it's those two fuses. Just want to make sure there's nothing else. Is this also the SRS unit? Oh yeah, there is. So wait, it could be, there's more fuses here. It doesn't look like it. Fine, so it's these two fuses. Before, let me just go look if the module's installed. Okay, here is the airbag module. It looks like it's plugged in. Alright, let me go see the fuses. Alright, let's ground my test light right here. And it is fuse 6 and fuse 26. Now, are they numbered? They're not, and I don't see a chart. Alright, let me go pull up a chart. Alright, so this is the under hood. We need the under dash. Here we go. And we need, I feel like fuse 6. Yeah, fuse 6. And maybe 26. Yeah, fuse 6 and 26. So that would be, okay, 6 is in the first line. And 26 will be on top. Okay. Still grounded. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Power on one side, power on the other. And then 26 will be 1, 2, 3, 4 rows in, 2 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2 down. 3 down. This one right here. And it's blown. Alright, so we got a blown fuse. A 10 amp. Let me go get a new fuse. Well, I finally found a good spot to restock these fuses that I use on DigiKey. They sell $18 for 50 of them. Okay. Okay. That one's out. We'll put the new one in. Okay, we heard a beep. All right. Let's see now. The only way to read this, we gotta go back into the scan tool. But it's important, you have to go fully out because it's reading the gateway without that network. Let's see, we should have SRS unit right now. And we do right there. Smart scan. There we go, no codes. Now if I clear all the codes, we should be good to go. do I worry why this fuse blew? These cars are, I think they were theft vehicles. All right, let's just clear everything. Key on, engine off. Okay. Clear DTCs. Alright, so we still have a code in the ABS. Sensor calibration is not complete. Steering angle neutral position sensor incomplete. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go into the ABS. Okay, let's start the car because I think we need it for all sensors. Okay, special functions, all sensors. Make sure this is straight. Okay. Turn the steering wheel to the straight up and turn the steering wheel slowly 90 degrees to the left, slowly 180 degrees to the right, back 180 degrees to the left, 90 degrees to the right. Keep it in the straight ahead position, press OK. Alright, successful. Let's go out, turn the ignition switch off. Okay, back on. Alright, now let's do this another scan. Let's start the car up. Yeah, we got no codes. Let's just do a full go out, smart scan. So I do have a code in the meter. Oh yeah, so that was a park. The thing before it said over there, it was like a weird signal. It was saying park, and if I move it, you'll see reverse neutral drive. Okay. Now in the meter, we do have a code saying lost count with steering wheel switch. LIN bus connected. Are these not working? Cancel. Yeah, the steering wheel switch is dead. I don't know if they want me to diagnose that. Oh, some of them are working. Oh, it's working. It just wasn't working when it wasn't working when it was scanning some reason. That's the volume. Oh, it's working over there. Okay. Cancel. Let me go and clear this code. Alright. So we got a clear tree. So all it was a blown fuse for the SRS unit. I'm not going to go too deep into it because these cars are the reason why, whatever the reason is, whether they're not under warranty, is the same reason why I'm not going to look into the fuse. Alright, thanks for watching.